My name is Aubrey Jeffries, and my unit plan is for second grade, the life cycle of a frog. For my unit plan, I incorporated a variety of different standards, including the Common Core State Standards for Reading and Writing, the California State Standards for Life Sciences, and the Educational Technology Standards. My unit plan also incorporates Webb's depth of knowledge, such as extended thinking, strategic thinking, using conceptual knowledge, recall, and reproduction. This unit also addresses Olive Gardner's multiple intelligences by designing activities that incorporate all learning styles. This creates a fun and challenging learning environment where all students have an equal chance to succeed. In my unit plan, my verbal linguistic learners will enjoy using frog puppets they created to take turns explaining to their partner the process of metamorphosis. They will also like creating a presentation of the life cycle of a frog using the Haiku app and presenting it to their classmates. My visual spatial learners will enjoy using the app Poplet, which will allow them to think and learn visually. They will organize facts and pictures from a given QR code and learn how to form relationships between them. They will also like using the Little Bird Tales app to create a digital story using personal illustrations and recording their own voice to tell the story. My logical mathematical learners will enjoy creating an interactive sequential timeline of the stages of the life cycle on the computer and sharing the assignment in Google Docs. They will also be calculating how many physical changes take place in each stage of the life cycle and using that information for their final project. My musical rhythmic learners will enjoy singing a song about frogs and learning fun dance moves that go along with it from a YouTube video. They will also get to work with a partner in choosing a poem or song about frogs, recite it in front of the class, and post it to our classroom blog. My interpersonal learners will enjoy working with a partner to write definitions for the unit vocabulary on a Google Docs form using the Look the Word Up app. They will also work together in a group to design a presentation including the different stages of the life cycle of a frog using the Haiku app. My intrapersonal learners will enjoy using the app Doodle Buddy to take a picture of a frog from our classroom habitat and label its parts. They will also like completing an online activity that instructs them to identify the correct stages of the frog's life cycle. My bodily kinesthetic learners will enjoy participating in a class activity where they will use their bodies to either jump like a frog or swim like a tadpole, depending on which characteristic is mentioned. They will also use items such as paper plates, googly eyes, construction paper, and crayons to create a paper plate frog. They will trace their hands on green construction paper and use them as frog legs. My naturalistic learners will enjoy observing, documenting, and taking pictures with an iPhone of the different stages of the frog's life cycle right in our very own classroom. They will be able to look closely at each stage of the life cycle and take note of any physical changes. This class has taught me that by using a combination of technology and activities that incorporate all of the multiple intelligences, it will enhance learning in the classroom. The knowledge I have gained about the different intelligences and how different technologies can benefit these learning styles will not only help improve my lessons, but will also assure that the students will be able to perform to the best of their abilities.